So today I'm excited to show you guys a new pearlescence item. If you guys haven't seen my previous video, I talked about all about pearlescence. Pearlescence is my life. I enjoy all of their products. No, I'm not sponsored, but if pearlescence wants to sponsor your girl, then I'm cool with that. Slide into my DMs, pearlescence, because I enjoy all of your products and I do spend my money on. So this new item is by pearlescence. It's whipped hair dry shampoo foam. I haven't ventured into the dry shampoo foam area. You know, I've seen it before, but I haven't really ventured into it. But because pearlescence came through with the dry shampoo foam, I was like, okay, that's when I decided to give it a try. So this is what it looks like. Direction says, shake well before applying to dry hair. Dispense a small amount into your palm. Use fingers to apply to the roots and gently massage foam until it disappears completely. Continue working through from scalp to ends for about 60 seconds or until dry. Style as usual. So let's shake it up. I did leave my hair oily so you guys can see if it works or not. I'm a little bit scared, I'm not gonna lie. I've never used a foam. I'm just gonna use a little bit at a time. So when I have my mirror here, so if I'm turning to the side, don't mind me. So I'm kind of just gonna work it in. I really don't know how to, I guess, kind of like this, massage it into your scalp. So let's just do that because the other way seems like. So get into your hands, massage into your scalp. Also, my hair gets oily at the bottom right here. So I want to make sure I get it in there. I'm doing this for you guys, so I'm looking a little bit crazy, but let's do this. Make sure that, you know, the top layer of my hair is not looking oily. So we'll just do this and then I'll do the part. So let's do my part. I don't know if you guys could tell, but when your hair is oily, it starts to split. I mean, see how this is splitting? And then I don't want to go in with the foam. I feel like the dry shampoo powder is better. It feels damp and wet, so I'm not sure I put too much. As of now, it's weird. My hands feel dry, like if I rub dry shampoo in my hands because of the foam. But my hair, the overall look of my hair, it looks wet and greasy. And it's been more than 60 seconds. So I'm gonna go finish doing my hair and then I'll be right back. I'm back. I finally finished my hair. I curled it a bit and I wanted to come back on and give you guys my final thoughts on this foam shampoo. I did pick this up at TJ Maxx for $5.99. So my final verdict is, this one is more time consuming. You have to shake the bottle, you know, put it in your hands, work it in your palm, work it in your hair, make sure you get all the sections that you want. And then on top of that, you need to brush it out. And I did notice that it looked kind of wet. So I did have to go over my hair with the blow dryer. The scent is a little bit more minty, so it does feel fresh on your hair, and your hair is a little bit damp. So like I said, you have to use a blow dryer, which I thought I wouldn't have to use, but I did. It was super fun trying it out. I'm happy to give you guys my final thoughts, and I will not be purchasing, but it didn't work out for me at the end. It was just too much work for the outcome. I feel like I can get the same with the dry shampoo with less effort. I also wanted to point out that because I only put it in my roots, you know, when your hair is oily, it tends to split right here. And with this, I feel like it would have been much more of an effort trying to put it on my hair here. And it would have got my hair too damp all over, and it would be like you might as well take a shower. As opposed to the dry shampoo, I kind of just go like this and brush my hair with my hands or a brush, and I can go with the dry shampoo and it gets into this hair right here, and it kind of, you know, helps get the excess oil without having to wash my hair. So I do enjoy the dry shampoo in that aspect, because I can just go like this while I'm spraying it and it's drying out my hair here, so it doesn't really separate. And with this product, I've noticed, well, I didn't put it on here, but because I just added it to my roots, I feel like it would have made my hair feel more wet as it did, and I just added it to my roots. And at that point, I would have just been like, I should have just washed my hair. If anybody else out there wants to give it a try, give it a try. It was fun. But I will stick to my dry shampoo cans. It's just easier and effective with a lot less work and time. If you guys want to give it a try, I will link it down below. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.